Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave SPX.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is March 30th and the time is around 12:30 a.m. GMT. So today we are going to take a look at the SNB. This is SPX SNB cash, not the future, okay? This one only opens during the market hours in the US. 60 minutes chart, we could see it has started to extend higher again, about to break to new all-time high. All right, for the SPX, and I think we should be able to do it. And then once we make an all-time high, we can be ending the 5 ways up from here, and then doing a 3-ways pullback. And as long as the pullback stays above 38.53 here, we should be able to extend higher again within a wave 5. So you can see we are now within a wave 5. We got 2 here, 3 here, 4. So we are in the last leg in the wave 5 here in the red degree. Now you can also see 2 blue boxes here. Now blue boxes in our charts is sort of like the inflection area, and this is sort of an indication we should be expecting buyers. Now if it is bullish, of course, if it is bearish, then the blue box is going to be at the top, okay? But here in the blue box is not provided after the fact, okay? It is provided before it actually reach this area. You can see, for example, our members have 2 chances for SPX, alright? 2 chances to buy in the dips. This is the first one. This is based on this WXY here, right? This WXY equal leg reaching this blue box area. So if you take a look at our past charts, this is the chart of SPX from March the 5th. So earlier this month, you can see we provided this blue box right when the price is at the blue box here. So this is the same blue box here, 37.69, 36.79, 37.69, 36. So we're looking, so based on the chart from earlier this month, we are providing this blue box and telling members, hey, we should be expecting at least 3 days rally from here, if not going to new high. And of course, we indeed start to turn higher, and then SPX made a new high here, right? And then it did another, pull back here, and then we also provide another blue box in case people miss this blue box. Then there is another blue box here. This is, for example, the chart from March 24, not too long ago, from last week, showing the blue box way before the price actually reached into the blue box here, as you can see. So we're looking for SPX to hit this blue box and then starts to turn higher again. And of course it did hit the blue box and then starts to turn higher. So if members bought it here, then they should be already getting some profit here on the way up over here, okay? So now we're looking for SPX to make all-time high, and then after that to pull back and then extend higher again, as long as it stays above this last week's low in the first degree. So what's the alternate here? Well, the alternate suggests that instead of ending 105, so let me go to the daily chart to give you an idea. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the same as the this 1, 2, 3, 4 here in the red degree we see earlier in the 1 hour chart. So this suggests that the alternate is saying that instead of ending with 105 and continue to extend higher within wave 5, we could have ended your entire wave 5 immediately here. If we end the entire wave 5 immediately, then of course we're going to be doing a bigger pullback. So depending on the larger degree count, that pullback could be still within the same cycle from March 2020 low, but it's going to be a bigger pullback that could potentially break below 38.53, right? Bigger pullback before higher again, or worst case scenario, of course, it's going to be ending the cycle from March 2020. That will be the worst case scenario. So we've been in a 1 year rally, 1 year since we bottom here in March 2020. We have not ended that cycle so far. Seems like we are still within the same cycle, rallying from the March 2020 low. It's a 1 year old rally right now, okay? So that will be the alternate, suggesting that we end it with 5 here instead of 105 and then do a bigger pullback. All right, otherwise we favor the more aggressive view and calling extension higher within the wave 5 as long as the pullback stays above last week's low 3853.5. all right, so as always, if you want to check our service and get further updates, please feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.